Now, I want to take a moment to address something that should be on everyone's mind, especially this time of year. We're actually entering 2025, and I know the majority of the conversations I've been having has to do with wealth or finances or potentially health. But we're not going to talk about health right now, but we will talk about wealth. Now, it should be on your mind. Your goal over your lifetime is to build wealth financially. You want to have more money than what you came in with, correct? Of course. Now, one thing that I'm sick and tired of seeing and hearing is the process of building wealth. People tend to complicate it when it isn't very complicated. Building wealth is straightforward. You make money, you spend as little of that money as you possibly can, and you invest the difference. That difference is wealth. Now, the only thing that I would like to factor in is time. Time can take that difference and multiply it. And that's how you build additional wealth. That's how you optimize your situation. But to build wealth is straightforward. Make money, spend less, invest. If anyone tries to complicate it more than that, look the other way. Don't take the advice. Nod and say okay, but keep moving. Now, here's a quick example. If you have a person that makes $100, great. But they spend $100, did they build wealth? No, because the difference between 100 and 100 is zero. No wealth. Now, you have a person that makes 100 and spends 110. Did that person build wealth? Absolutely not. If anything, that person is in debt. Now, you have a person that made 100, made some sacrifices, and only spent 90. Did that person build wealth? Of course they did. They built $10 worth of wealth. Now, what can optimize that situation is investing that 10 and giving it time to grow. So the earlier you can figure out the math and invest that difference, the faster or the more your wealth can grow.